Hi everyone, let's talk about object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a style of programming centered around objects. It makes our code easier to reuse, maintain, and expand when we add new features. In object-oriented programming, each object bundles together data and behavior. We call the data as properties and the behavior as methods. Object-oriented programming stands on four key ideas. These are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Let's take a look at each one. Encapsulation means keeping data and behavior together and protecting data from unwanted access. In the example, the balance is private. You cannot just reach and change it. Instead, you use methods like deposit and withdraw. Next, abstraction. Abstraction is all about simplicity, showing what is important, hiding what is not. Let's say we have a car. When you call car.start method, you don't need to know how the engine ignites or how fuel reaches the cylinders. You just press start and it works. That is abstraction, focusing on what something does, not how it does. Next, inheritance. Inheritance is the idea of reusing and extending existing code. Here in the example, electric car inherits from car. It doesn't need to rewrite the drive method. It just gets it for free. Inheritance helps us reduce repetition and build smarter layered systems. And finally, polymorphism. The word itself means many forms. It lets the same method behave differently depending on the object calling it. So, if we speak on a dog, we hear woof. If we call it on a cat, we get meow. Same method, different results. That is polymorphism. And it makes our programs dynamic and flexible, just like real world. Alright, thank you for watching.